Annapolis inventory remains down, and despite the quickly rising interest rates, buyer demand remains steady. It's Friday, February 25th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. The mortgage interest rates continue to tick up quickly. Both the 30-year fixed rate and the FHA 30-year fixed rate are at 3.875%, and the VA rate is now 3.75%. Inventory is up slightly to 74 homes for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis at a median price of $650,000. Let's take a look at what's happened with inventory since last report. 20 homes are coming soon. This is down from last report. 23 homes were newly listed for sale, double from last week. 25 went under contract in 7 median days. 16 are temporarily off the market, stable. 21 moved to pending, double from last week, and in just 4 median days. 14 homes settled over the past week, selling in 6 median days at 100% of list price, with a median sales price of $595,000. The highest sale in Annapolis was this waterfront home in Bay Ridge for $1,675,000. Area rental inventory is down to only 20 properties for lease, averaging $2,572 per month. Most rentals are going under application in under 15 days. If you are contemplating a move this year, get our winter home buyer or home selling guide free at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar, and then let's talk. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report for February 25th, 2022. Have a great weekend, and thanks for tuning in. Take care.